It is so important to say thank you in business and life. It will help you have everlasting relationships. When it comes to business, it will pay off in the long run. Think about how these thoughtful gestures can improve customer loyalty, quicken up transactions, and even reduce frustration points. We know that the little things count, which is why this same concept applies to sending beautiful thank you cards. Writing your custom handwritten message, including their name in it, will create a strong bond between you and your customer. Is it difficult to make a thank you card for your business? No. With the online designing tool Canva, it is as simple as finding images, choosing awesome fonts and colors, then adding your message personally written just for them. Let us dive into the designing process. 1. Launch Canva. First, sign up for Canva. After you've done that, search for the thank you card template and start scrolling through the different design types. 2. Choose a template. Canva's library features a wide variety of templates for all occasions. Choose from cheerful, minimalist, and classic layouts in various styles to find the right one. 3. Experiment with features. Add some flair to your design with Canva's drag and drop tool. Drag and drop photos, images, icons, stickers, or other graphics from their library. 4. Keep personalizing. You can add your pictures, logos, and artwork into the editor. Change fonts or sizes for text in every area of a card from the inside out. 5. Share or print. Save and download your design as a PNG, JPG, or PDF to share directly on social media or by email. Otherwise, print the card on good quality paper. 6. Add a custom handwritten message on print. Write your custom handwritten message so that your customers may know that you have taken additional time and energy to make them feel special. If you are not that into designing, go to Etsy.com and search for Catalyst Growth Labs. We have designed premium thank you cards for you. Just change the customer name and your details. You're good to go.